In the heart of the capital city, DDA's Flower Festival 2024 Palash won many hearts. An incredible show where you wonder upon the beauty of the nature's bounty called flowers, adorning every occasion and ambience with magical colors and shapes. Eveready, with its next generation street and floodlights, created a new aura for Palash. Eveready lights helped accentuate the glory of flowers, capturing the vividness, enhancing the grandeur, and highlighting the essence of every flower. And visitors remain mesmerized with its sheer beauty.
लाइट बहुत जगमगा गया। पहले लाइट यहाँ बहुत कम रहता था, अंधेरा अंधेरा सा दिखता था। अब मैं जब आया देखने तो इतना अच्छा लाइटिंग हो रखा है।
Like the different shades and vividness of flowers, Eveready brings an array of lights in various shades and shapes for various purposes. Eveready lights, in fact, add the light of joy to every premise and occasion.